Why? Can't this be a better land? I know I'm not better than any other, but got to be a clever man. Understand, I'm not that person that you think. Walking around thinking, man, I'm blank. Now, man, catch me with my change bank. On the higher road, reaching for a main rank. Gotta enjoy the holidays with your people. If not, you in the wrong spot. Another day, don't wanna see you in my life. It was critical, so I had to start a new phase. No more wasting days. Gotta be dependable. I'm too physical. You hate, I make you feel pitiful. If that don't work, I get vicious and real killable. Later for your past, analyze the presence, cause every move I assume going forward for treasure. Mixed in the business and pleasure, I take on strong. Earn my throne, maintaining my own, and I'ma claim my home. Then I keep going. Then I keep going. Yeah. Then I keep going. Yeah. I just keep going. Yeah. Open up your head. Stroke up your bread. Slope up ahead. Say, it's a must to have and hold. Over the bronze, the silver, I will deliver and grab the gold. Missing my great granny, living without her, I can't stand it. Your grandson keeping the straight head for a Grammy. My soul is deep. Sometimes it's hard to sleep, knowing the wrong that I did is a part of me. My little brother, that's my nigga, seeing hardly. The only way I continue is keeping God in me, taking it anywhere that I can get it. I always knew what I was relentless, man. I always did it. Under arrest, fuck it, nigga. I would suggest you get the fuck up out my waist before you feel his fucking fist. And check my text, nigga. You don't wanna fucking test this mess. We don't wanna mess with Texas, nigga. Yes, it's B.I.Dub in this bitch, and you know I'm fresh. I pray to God every night because you know I'm blessed. Yeah. Yeah. You know I'm going in, nigga. You know I'm going in, nigga. Huh? Won't stop, it won't quit. No, won't stop, it won't quit. No.